Ever pondered how the digital world seems to know your preferences better than your friends do? Welcome to the intersection of artificial intelligence and marketing. In this digital age, AI has become a game changer, an unseen force that is revolutionizing how businesses target their audience and create personalized content. It's like a master puppeteer, pulling the strings in the background, making the digital world dance to the rhythm of your preferences. AI algorithms, fed with vast amounts of data, learn and adapt to your unique tastes and behaviors. They predict your needs, sometimes even before you realize them yourself. This makes marketing not just a guessing game, but a science. A science that allows businesses to tailor their messages to resonate with you, to engage you, and to ultimately win your loyalty. AI is not just a tool, it's a strategy, an approach that's woven into the very fabric of marketing. AI is not only changing the game, it's reshaping the entire field. Consider a real-world example, the global retail giant, Amazon. This behemoth of online commerce has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way it interacts with its customers. Amazon uses AI to sift through a mountain of customer data, analyzing browsing habits, purchase history, and even the time spent viewing particular products. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your tastes better than you do. And it's not just about suggesting products you might like. Amazon's AI goes a step further, creating personalized product recommendations that are tailored to each individual's unique preferences. This strategy is not just a fancy feature. It's a powerful tool that drives customer engagement and boosts sales. By offering personalized recommendations, Amazon has seen a significant increase in customer interaction. It's akin to walking into a store where everything on display is exactly what you're looking for.